Hey guys, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. For this video, I will be sharing with you guys how I set up the bedroom as a co-sleeping environment while I was prepping it for our baby. There's a lot of tips coming your way, so stay tuned. Alright, so diving right into this video, it's very common to see people organize nurseries, right before they give birth, when they're in their nesting, season. We are fortunate enough to have an extra bedroom to set up as a nursery, but I chose to not set up a nursery at all initially and go with co-sleeping. And the reason being, I figured babies initially don't really need that much space, that much things anyway. And also not just for the baby, but as new parents, you're trying to figure things out, and the simpler you set up things, the better it is. So just to get things going, and it's just much more effective and just less headache, honestly, and also cost effective. I figured co-sleeping, and I wanted to keep it as minimal as possible, just because I didn't want like a whole bunch of stuff crowding the space and feeling overwhelmed. So I want to go into details and talk to you guys about what items I considered essential and included in the co-sleeping environment in our bedroom. Our bedroom initially it's really just a plain bedroom, nothing fancy. The main important thing, the bed, two side tables and a headboard that I DIY'd that looks like it's kind of attached to the bed if you see it from a different area. And we had a TV set up on the opposite side of the wall from the bed. So that's basically how the bedroom was. Alright, so moving on to how I changed it up a little bit. Most likely you probably have the baby on the bed. So the first item that I consider essential is a firm mattress. Me, hubby, and the baby, we're gonna be different, you know what I mean? Different weight level. You want the bed to be as leveled as possible if you're gonna be having a baby sleeping on it, because you don't want the baby rolling one way or another if it's sinking in or anything like that. So that's one thing that we already had and that I consider very essential, actually. And one thing we added was a bassinet. We got it secondhand, of course, from Facebook Marketplace. It's a bassinet that we can put the baby on to sleep either in the house, or if you want it, you can put it on a stroller. So that's one thing I figured the baby can start sleeping on. The next thing that we added was a changing station. We also got that from a Facebook Marketplace, but again, it's in great condition. I do consider that essential, but I mean, if you wanted to, you can change the baby on the bed with like a mat or something, but it can get a little messy. So just having that changing station will give you a lot more space. If there's any mess, it's okay, you know what I mean? It's easier to just move it around, wash and all that stuff. Another thing that was very helpful was having a blackout curtain. There's a lot of light that comes into our room from the window. So having that blackout curtain to have that nice darkened room to assist with better sleeping, I thought was another thing to add. Another thing that I consider essential and added into the co-sleeping environment is a sound machine that also has a night light. That was a gift from our baby registry. Okay, one thing that we also got from Facebook Marketplace, it was obviously a potting place. Not for me, from my husband. He was very excited and just buying basically everything that he was seeing. So another thing that he got was a rocking chair. I wouldn't consider like a breastfeeding chair, but it's just it looked really nice. So I added that as an extra place to be able to feed the baby, or for me to just take a breather right by the window to look outside. Think about life. It's definitely stylish enough for it to be used for more than baby related things. Another thing that we added into the bedroom is an over-the-door organizer, just for like things that I want to quickly reach, right by the changing station, more for convenience. And I know that it's going to come in handy, not just for baby related things, but whatever you want to store in it for future purposes. And earlier I did mention that we have a TV in the room already. I feel like it's essential to have, you know, at the beginning there's a lot of feeding and there's a lot of being in that environment, in that room, especially for the feeding sessions. Just having some kind of entertainment, TV, book, audio, movies, whatever. It's a great addition to have for the mama. Just having that there, it's on the wall, it's out of the way. It doesn't have to be a TV, it could be a laptop, your phone. There's so many devices nowadays. It's good to have to take your mind off, you know, and just relax as your baby is being taken care of. So those are the essential items that I used to set up the co-sleeping environment initially. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so I know what type of videos to make more of moving forward. We upload new videos every Friday, so make sure you guys click on the bell to be notified every time we upload. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Stay blessed.